This is a final video to fix lethal company lag and stuttering with low FPS. Are you tired of your game freezing or running super slow? You're not alone. This happens because your computer struggles to handle the game's graphics and background processes. Many solutions online are confusing, full of long steps, and hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that can make your game run smooth and fast. This method doesn't need fancy tools or complicated settings. If you want to show a full step-by-step tutorial to get rid of lag and boost FPS, comment below. Stay tuned and let Rexist help you play Lethal Company without any stutter.